Powerslide is the data storytelling solution that will save your time. Reporting and dashboards have never been easier to achieve. Interactive, Powerslide takes you to the heart of your data and helps you take better decisions. Simple to use, you can build your graphics in seconds with drag and drop, and let our suggestion algorithms guide you. Powerslide complies to your graphic charts, define your color palette, and Powerslide takes care of the rest. For your typography, a wide choice is offered directly in Powerslide. Plus, you have access to all Google fonts. Hundreds of typographies that you can import. You can add any kind of image to Powerslide, and if you want to change it, our filters and settings are there for you. Take advantage of real-time collaboration to work as a team on the same project. Time saving and flexibility await you. In Powerslide, you can provide context to your data with comments. Similarly, you can add bookmarks, comments with pre-saved filters. When you click on the bookmark, the filter will activate. With the annotations, you can comment directly on the graphics. Which data to use? Again, you have the choice. Now, it's your turn.